In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use visual input with ChatGPT, specifically with the capabilities of ChatGPT-4. This feature allows you to enhance your interaction with the AI by letting it analyze images for you. Whether you're working with screenshots, photographs, or charts, the ability to feed visual content into ChatGPT can significantly simplify your workflow and save you valuable time. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right into it. First things first, start by opening ChatGPT in your web browser or in the app on your device. Once you have it up, make sure you're signed into your account. It's essential to be logged in so you can make full use of all its features. When you arrive at the main chat screen, take a look around. You should see a plus icon located near the message input box. This is a crucial part of our process since this is where we'll be adding our images. Go ahead and click that plus icon. Once you do this, you'll see an option that lets you upload a photo from your device. This is your opportunity to choose any image you want ChatGPT to analyze, be it a screenshot, a chart, a document, or even that picture you just took on your phone. Once you've selected the image, wait a moment for it to fully upload into your chat. It's always good to be patient here because we want to ensure that everything is in place before moving on to the next step. Now that you can see your image in the chat, we're ready for the most important part. In the message box, you'll want to type a clear instruction. Simple prompts work well, such as, "Analyze this image," or "Tell me what you see in this photo." However, feel free to get a bit more specific if you have something particular in mind. For instance, you could write, "Analyze the text in this screenshot," "Summarize what you see in the image," or "Point out any errors you notice." Remember, the more specific your query, the more relevant the response will be. Once you've framed your question, hit that send button and allow ChatGPT to process the image. It won't take long, just a few moments, and then you'll receive a written response based on what the AI is able to interpret from the visual input. You might be surprised by how effective this can be. Whether it's identifying objects, reading text from images, understanding charts, reviewing screenshots, or obtaining feedback on visual content, there's a lot of ground you can cover with this feature. If you find that the answer you receive isn't exactly what you were looking for, don't worry. You can always engage ChatGPT further by asking follow-up questions. You can guide its focus to specific elements within the image. For instance, you could say something like, "Can you zoom in on the text?" Or "Could you explain the chart in simple terms?" At any point, you can also compare elements in the photo, providing a more in-depth understanding. So there you have it. The basic steps for using visual input with ChatGPT-4. Just remember to open ChatGPT, hit that plus icon, upload your photo, and ask it to analyze the image. It's a fast, easy process, and once you start using it regularly, you'll realize just how powerful this tool can be. If this video has helped you learn something new today, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.